Hey guys, there are a few financial tips which I thought of giving it to you. Tip number 1, always and always take care of your health. Because once your health is out of order, there will be a lot of expenditures which will be over your health. It is always and always be good to be active, agile and smart, which gives you a lot of confidence in life. Second most important thing is that always judiciously spend your money. When you judiciously spend your money, you will have more appetite to save and invest, which will take care of any of the emergency needs and also which will take care of your health. The third most important thing is that always keep yourself calm, composed. It is into this composure that a lot of innovative ideas, inventions have come up. So therefore, by keeping yourself calm and composed, it is always and always good to be innovative and think in a different manner. Therefore guys, these 3 tips from my side which will help you out in not only keeping yourself healthy but also wealthy. And yes, somebody has rightly said that an active body lies in an active mind. Therefore, watch us over our new videos which are coming out soon. Stay updated, stay tuned with Finance with Siddharth. New comments always invited from your side. Kindly drop it into the drop down box comment section given below.